Mark Zuckerberg is already dominating the metaverse, and here's how you can too. This Black Friday, you can sign up for my live webinar on how to monetize in the metaverse. This is a Black Friday exclusive, so the deadline to sign up is this Monday, November 29th. Guys, make sure you sign up by Monday, November 29th if you want to take advantage of this live webinar. If you want to be part of the future, if you want to participate in the digital gold rush and take advantage of this moment that will never be replicated, you need to sign up today. The metaverse has already begun and you don't want to miss out. Now, sign up now. I'm your host, Kenim, and I have over 16 years experience in media, new media, entertainment, all of the above. And I am going to guide you and walk you through the best ways to monetize today, starting now in the metaverse, how to take advantage of the opportunities that are being offered right now. Guys, sign up to this webinar. It's live, it's one time only. Go check it out.